You have to see this. Yo, what's going on, everyone? It's Money Mindset. We're back at it again, hustling, grinding, chasing those dollar signs. You know how we do. Have you ever scrolled through endless ads online and thought, man, I should be getting paid for this? Well, guess what? You actually can. Today we're diving deep into a website that claims to pay you $1 a whole dollar for every single ad you watch. Is it legit? Is it a scam? We're gonna find out. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's unravel this money-making mystery together. Imagine getting paid just to watch ads. Sounds too good to be true, right? But what if I told you there's a way to make it happen? We're going to explore every nook and cranny of this website, from signing up to cashing out. By the end of this video, you'll know if this is the real deal or just another online gimmick. So stay tuned, because you won't want to miss this. Let's get started and see if we can really earn $1 per ad. We'll break down the process step by step so you can follow along and see if this is worth your time. From the initial sign up to the moment you cash out, we've got you covered. So grab a snack, get comfortable, and let's dive into this potential goldmine. First things first, we got to get you registered. This is where your journey to earning those ad dollars begins. The website we're checking out today is called Ad Earn Catchy, right? It's designed to be super user-friendly. The sign-up process is smoother than a fresh jar of peanut butter. Seriously, it's a breeze. Just hit that sign up button, punch in your email address, and brace yourself for a verification email. You know the drill. Gotta make sure you're not some internet bot trying to game the system. This step is crucial for your account security. Once you've clicked that confirmation link, boom, you're in. Ready to start raking in those sweet, sweet ad dollars. It's that simple. Now let's dive into how you can maximize your earnings. The key is to stay active and watch as many ads as possible. The more ads you watch, the more you earn. It's that straightforward. So keep your eyes peeled and stay engaged. With Ad Earn, your journey to earning those ad dollars is just getting started. Happy earning. And don't forget, you can watch ads on multiple devices. Whether it's your laptop, tablet, or phone, Ad Earn has got you covered. The more screens you use, the more you can earn. So gear up and get ready to make the most out of your ad-watching experience. The more you diversify, the more you can maximize your earnings. Happy earning. All right, let's break down the science behind this money-making machine. Ad Earn's got this whole system figured out. They partner up with advertisers who are desperate for eyeballs on their products, and they're willing to pay for it. You, my friend, are the eyeball. You watch their ads, they pay Ad Earn, and then Ad Earn shares a piece of that pie with you. Simple, right? But hold up, there's a tiny catch. You gotta watch the entire ad. No skipping, no fast forwarding. Think of it like a mini movie marathon, but instead of popcorn, you get cold, hard cash. First, you sign up on the Ad Earn platform and enter your payment details. Then you start watching ads on your preferred device, mobile, tablet, or desktop. As you watch, your earnings accumulate and you can track them in real time on the app. Once you hit the minimum payout threshold, you can withdraw your earnings directly to your bank account. It's that easy. And guess what? You can even watch ads on your smart TV, gaming console, or smart fridge. The possibilities are endless. So set up your devices, get comfortable, and start earning. The more you watch, the more you earn. Happy watching. And don't forget, you can even watch ads on your VR headset, smartwatch, or smart mirror. The future of ad watching is here. So dive into this new era of ad watching and start earning like never before. Enjoy the ride. Now let's get down to the good stuff, getting that money in your pocket. Before you go on an ad watching frenzy, you gotta tell Ad Earn where to send your earnings. Head over to the payment section and you'll find a bunch of options. They've got PayPal, direct deposit straight to your bank account, and even gift cards if you're feeling spendy. My advice? Double check those digits. You don't want your hard-earned cash ending up in someone else's account. Once you've set it up, you're good to go. Just sit back, watch those ads, and watch your balance grow. It's that simple. The more ads you watch, the more you earn. So, what are you waiting for? Start earning today. And remember, consistency is key. The more regularly you watch, the more you can earn over time. Make it a habit, and you'll see those dollars add up quickly. So get started now and maximize your earnings with Ad Earn. Set a schedule to watch ads daily, and you'll see your earnings grow even faster. Whether you're on your laptop, tablet, or phone, you can earn anytime, anywhere. The Ad Earn app makes it easy to track your progress and earnings on the go. Share your success with friends and family, and maybe even get them to join in on the fun. So what are you waiting for? Dive into Ad Earn and start making money today. All right, it's showtime. Click on over to the Watch Ads section and get ready for a visual feast of ads. You'll see a whole smorgasbord of options, from flashy car commercials to those weirdly captivating A's seen on TV products. Click on an ad, let it play all the way through. Remember, no skipping. And bam, you just earned yourself $1. Some ads might throw a curveball and ask you a quick question at the end just to make sure you were paying attention. Don't sweat it. It's usually something super easy, like what product was featured in this ad. And just like that, you're on your way to earning more. Keep watching, keep earning, and watch your balance grow. Share your success with friends and invite them to join the fun. The more the merrier, and the more you all can earn. Setting up your account is a breeze. Just enter your details and you're good to go. Payments are quick and easy, straight to your account. So sit back, relax, and let the earnings roll in. You can even watch ads on your tablet or phone, making it super convenient. Whether you're at home or on the go, you can keep earning. Track your earnings in real time and see your progress. Invite more friends and boost your earnings even further. Celebrate your milestones together and keep the momentum going. Remember, the more you watch, the more you earn. So grab a coffee, sit back, and let the ads roll in. So you've mastered the art of watching ads, but you're hungry for more, right? I feel you. Let's dive deeper. Here's the secret sauce: referrals. This is where the real magic happens. AdEarn, like most platforms out there, is all about spreading the word. Get your friends, your family, your pet hamster in on this action. The more the merrier. Every time someone signs up using your unique referral link, boom, bonus cash in your account. It's that simple. And hey, if you're really serious about this whole ad-watching hustle, check out their premium tiers. These are game changers. They've got these exclusive clubs where you can unlock higher-paying ads, special bonuses, the whole 9 yards. Imagine the possibilities. It might cost a little extra up front, but the rewards can be substantial. Think of it as an investment in your future ad-watching empire. The more you put in, the more you get out. Set clear goals for yourself. Track your progress and stay motivated. Join online communities, share tips, ask questions, and learn from others who are also in the game. Celebrate your milestones. Every achievement, no matter how small, is a step towards your ultimate goal. Keep your vision clear and stay focused. The journey might be long, but the rewards are worth it. Use productivity tools to manage your time effectively. Balance your ad watching with other activities. Read success stories to stay inspired. Learn from those who have turned this side hustle into a lucrative venture. Plan rewards for yourself. Treat yourself when you hit your targets. It keeps the journey enjoyable. Reflect on your progress regularly. Adjust your strategies as needed and keep pushing forward. Use financial apps to track your earnings and manage your money wisely. This will help you see the bigger picture. Create a dedicated workspace for your ad-watching activities. A clutter-free environment can boost your productivity. Don't forget to take breaks. Use relaxation apps to unwind and recharge. Balance is key. Attend webinars and online workshops. These can provide valuable insights and keep you updated on the latest trends. Network with others in the industry. Building connections can open up new opportunities and collaborations. Invest in personal development. Read books and take courses to enhance your skills and knowledge. Visualize your success. Keep your end goals in mind and stay focused on achieving them. And finally, celebrate your journey. Share your successes with friends and family. Enjoy the fruits of your labor. And there you have it, folks. A crash course in turning your screen time into dollar signs. Look, I'm not gonna lie, you're not gonna be quitting your day job anytime soon just by watching ads. But hey, if you've got some spare time, why not make a few extra bucks on the side? Every little bit counts, right? If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button for more money-making tips and tricks. And let me know in the comments if you've tried AdEarn or any other platforms like it. Until next time, keep hustling, keep grinding, and keep those ad dollars rolling in. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide to earning $1 per Google ad you watch. If you found this useful, hit that like button, subscribe for more money-making tips, and let us know in the comments if you've tried this platform. Thanks for watching and happy earning. Remember, every ad you watch brings you closer to your financial goals. So grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let the ads roll in. Until next time, keep earning and stay positive. And remember, consistency is key. The more ads you watch, the more you earn. Set a daily goal for yourself and stick to it. Small steps lead to big rewards. Share your progress with friends and family. You might inspire them to join you on this ad-watching journey. Visualize your financial goals and keep them in mind as you watch those ads. Every ad you watch is a step closer to achieving your dreams. Until next time, keep earning and stay positive.